There are lots of ways customers can make payments, by backs, by cash itself, or maybe even by check, but each one needs manual cash posting. Klipboard Money via Autopart is a fully integrated solution that makes the whole process much more simple and easier to manage. Any customers who have indicated they're happy to make payments via Klipboard Money will be sent a number of payment links via email. These links will be based on the age of balances for the specific account itself. Firstly, we need to indicate which of our customers are happy to receive the links. Click Database, Database Entry, and Customer File Maintenance to indicate the customer is a Klipboard Money Pay by Link account. For this demonstration, we'll be using account H0006, and in the Custom Fields tab, there is a new field called Pay by Link. Into that field, I have entered Y to indicate that this customer is happy to receive payments links as part of the statement run. In the statement printing screen for this example, I'm going to choose the DocDesk email account. There is also a Klipboard Money Pay by Link checkbox available. Clicking this box will show all of the accounts that have the Y flag. We are using H0006, so we will select that account and click on Create. The system will ask if I wish to create Klipboard Money Pay by Links for the selected accounts. I will say yes, and then when asked if I want to create a statement for alignment, I will click on No. It's now confirmed that the statement run has been completed. Click on OK to complete the process. If we look at the statement and the age of balances for 0 to 30 days, in the current period there is 0 balance. 31 to 60 days, there is £110. 61 to 90 days, £37.81. Over 90 days, £21. And then a total value of 168.81. As there are balances greater than 0 for 31 to 60, 61 to 90 and over 90, and the total value, links will be generated for each of these individual balances. If you go into the Klipboard Money transactions screen and click on Display, you will see a list of all of the links that have been sent out for this statement. The status of each of these shows as open, which means that the payment is yet to be made, and the Pay by Link expiry date is 1 calendar month from when the link has been sent. Here is a copy of the email your customer will be receiving. There are 4 QR codes attached to the email. Each one relates to the individual Pay by Link, and then in the body of the email there are 4 links, one for each of the individual age of balances. In this example, the customer will pay the 90-day balance, the £21 that is overdue. They would click on the link or scan the QR code, enter their name and address details and card details. There is also the option to use Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Open Banking. In this example, I will use a card number. Please note this is a dummy card and can't be used for any other purpose. I will now make the payment. So the £21 is now showing as being successful. The payment has been made. We can set up an automated routine to check on a regular basis for any outstanding pay by links. When payment is made, it will be retrieved back into Autopart and automatically cash post against the transactions that it relates to. So there is no need to manually have to cash post the transactions when the payment has been made. If we look in the Klipboard Money transactions screen and click on Display, we can see that the bottom green highlighted line is showing the £21 as paid. You will also see that the overall balance has now been cancelled, the link is no longer valid, and part of the 168.81 has been paid. The other 2 aged balances links are still valid and could still be paid by the customer. Going into the Account Enquiry screen in Ledgers, enter the customer account detail, H0006. You can see that the 2 transactions that made up the £21 for the over 90-day balance are now showing with an outstanding balance of 0, and have been paid off by the Klipboard Money cash payments, as showed further down in the account inquiry screen. Reports have been written to help the account team with regards to Klipboard Money payments made in this way. It is possible to generate a report to run automatically at an agreed frequency to detail all of the Klipboard Money statement payments that have been paid by link, so that the accounts team have a full and open picture of what has actually happened. I hope you have found this video useful. Thanks for watching.